Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to skip getting a physical card and start with an e-card. Open your county or city library website and look for digital card or e-card. If the library supports instant sign-up, fill the minimal form, name, email, zip code, and upload or enter your proof of address if requested. Once you have the e-card number or a temporary PIN, keep it handy. This is the credential Libby needs, so make sure the email is accurate and that you save the confirmation message. Now, launch Libby and search your library by name or zip code. Pick the exact branch or consortium that issued the e-card. Choose Sign In with Library Card and enter the digital card number plus PIN or paste the temporary code from the sign-up email. Once signed in, Libby connects your account to the catalog. This lets you borrow titles instantly. If the library uses a third-party system, Libby will redirect you to that sign-in page. Follow prompts and allow Libby to confirm the loan permissions. With Libby signed in, borrow an available ebook or place a hold. Press Borrow, then choose Read in Libby or Download for offline access. If you can't sign in or borrowing fails, check that your e-card isn't expired and that the address you provided matches the library's requirements. Sometimes the system needs exact matches. If problems persist, contact the issuing library for a temporary pass, or try signing up with a neighboring library that offers statewide or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.